Hi, this is Chris, and I'm going to be explaining the features I did, and also as well as a general overview for our project called GameInn. So for the clips, I did two things. The first is adding the videos, which it includes videos from YouTube, Twitch, Reddit, and Twitter. YouTube and Twitch are inserted using iframes, as shown here, while while Twitter and Reddit are using custom embed code, where Reddit's is the embed code is already there. You just fill in the necessary fields, while Twitter's is generated using the embed endpoint of the Twitter API. Then on for both Group Finder and Clips, the games, which when you type in, let's say Apex Legends here, this one type in the first two letters, it'll pop up, and this comes from the Twitch API. Originally, it was supposed to be the IGDB API, but we found out that had a lot of, because it was user content. Basically, the games on there were all inputted by the users and the community, and we found that so many unnecessary games and like other things that didn't make sense, like foreign games and super old games. So we decided to use Twitch's API, which used the same authorization because it's IGDB is owned by Twitch now, and it was able, and we got these from the Twitch categories. Next, the other thing I did was the edit profile. So when you click here, you can edit the profile and edit them. For now, certain things that can be linked using your username are become links when you hit save, like Twitch stuff like Guilded, Discord, and the Steam, etc. That use IDs for profiles. We couldn't do because there's no way you could generate the ID unless you knew your ID. And when you hit save, it saves the data, and cancel, it reverts back to normal. Now there are a couple other things that I did in regards. The other one, actually, I mentioned it in Clips. I also did link validation. So when you insert a link, depending on what platform you selected, it will validate the link and to whether it's one of the accepted link types. Like that's, and then it will and get the data off that link and into the video code. Now the final thing that I did was the UI for the entire site, so including the logo. So the logo here that was custom created by myself, and then if you go smaller screen, it becomes the icon that's the favicon. That's that. Also the layouts of all the pages and the dynamic resizing that was done by me. So it's just in general, the things that we could have added that we weren't able to was extra videos, because a lot of them required you to go through the social media platform's API to get the video, or the sharing site's API. Another thing we couldn't really get was authorization of social accounts, because that requires access to the APIs as well. And then custom uploading profile picture and also clips, because those require storage. Now the advantages of our platform is that you can search for clips from multiple sites, which very few places allow you to do. And also joining groups without actually needing to take a spot in the group. So you join it as a queue, and then you can then automatically get added to the queue, and when the Reddit decides, oh, okay, to add you, then it'll add you.